Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this short video, I am going to show you how you can see who has unfollowed you on Instagram. So it's not a tutorial video, it's more like an informative video because so many of you guys asked me the same question, how I can see who has unfollowed me on Instagram. So if you ask me this question, I will say that there is no way to see who has unfollowed you on Instagram. So there is so many videos on this topic on YouTube and all of are fake. If you are still watching videos on this topic, then you are just wasting your time. And I hope now you know the truth fact. So if you think this video is helped you, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.